New capabilities have been added to speed up the drawing creation process. For example, if you multi-select objects in your scene and you right-click, you'll have two new options. One is called Create Drawing from Selected, and then the other is Create Bulk Drawing from Selected. To create drawing, what it actually does will take the file, allow you to pick a template to use. For example, we'll just use a B size, hit OK, and it'll create a drawing view dialog for those components that you have selected. So it could be any combination of selection in the scene, but those are the ones that will appear here as a single drawing, and you can basically place those inside of here, picking whatever views that you like, hitting OK, and using the current drawing view creations to place that. If you want to scale it up, for example, you can place those, move the drawing views around inside of here, and it just basically creates a drawing of the selected component. So if we wanted to change this, for example, to a quick view and shade it, for example, we can see that that's just the components of the ones that we selected, not the full file. If we go back to our, our main scene file, the other command, if you right click on it, again, we have those two selected, we hit Create Bulk View Drawing from Selected. What this does is it brings up a simplified bulk drawing creation dialog that only contains the item that you have selected. It allows you to select your templates, and it'll tell you which files that it's going to create, and you hit OK. It'll process the file just like the bulk view creation dialog does, and basically creates a sheet for every selection that you have. So if we have 2 items selected, it'll create sheet 1 and sheet 2 of those 2 selected. If you have 10 selected, you would have 10 sheets of all of your objects, which is a really handy tool to really get the object that you want drawings for, and the main master file as well will be created for you automatically inside of there. But that's a quick way to create your drawings using the 2 new commands on any selected object that you have. So you can multi-select in the scene or in the scene browser across different levels. If you're wanting to select different objects from different parent assembly files, you can do so. Right click again and do your create drawing from selected, pick your template, for example, and it will create that drawing of that selection that you have. So a very handy way to create your files using the new capabilities added in IronCAD 2020 Product Update 1.